Hello, my name is Chef Colin Roche, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make wicked easy sous vide reverse cheeseburgers. Now, what is that, you may ask? Well, think of a typical cheeseburger. You got the meat, beef patty, the ground beef there, and then you put the cheese on top. Well, today we're going to be doing a reverse cheeseburger. We're going to be putting the cheese on the inside. So from the outside to the inside, that's the reverse. Putting it inside our patty, sous videing it, and then finish it either on the grill or in a pan. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my recipe here, which I'm going to post at the end of this video so you can have a copy if you'd like. So to start out, you're going to need about a pound of ground beef of some version. I like to use chuck. I think it provides a lot more flavor because it comes from the shoulder. It's a lot more movement with the animal. But you can use anything you want, ground sirloin, plain ground hamburger, whatever you'd like. And then what you're going to do is about, I think I put in here, 8 ounces of cheese for 4 portions. Because I'm going to make it for 4 or 5 portions because mine may be a little bit more than that. And that could be any cheese you want. Gruyere, Swiss, Emmentaler, and that family, or the Cheddars, the Colbys. You could even use American. I'm going to use American and Swiss combination, but you choose what you want. And that's all you need. So to show you, I already have the burgers kind of prepared here. I've made them into small patties. So this is for 5 because I had 1.25 pounds. And I've made 10 small burgers because we're going to put them together. And then I have my cheese, which I've kind of just cubed up. I've got some Swiss here I've cubed up, and some American I've just kind of ripped into small squares. And then we're going to stuff this inside those burgers, put it into our sous vide bag, and then throw it into our water bath with our immersion circulator to finish cooking 140 degrees about an hour. And then after that, we'll take them out, pat them dry, finish on the grill or a pan, put them on a bun, top them with anything we want, our choice of condiments, our choice of toppings. Okay, so let's make a couple of these right now. Okay, so we have our patties that we've made, whatever size you want. These are going to be about 1/4 pound, 2 ounces each. So you're going to get 4 from 1 pound or 5 because I had about 1.25 pounds. So you just take it, put it on your board, flatten it out a little bit more. And also, they should tell you, I've already seasoned these. When the meat was, in a bulk form, I put salt and pepper at minimum. But I've also added a little garlic powder, a little onion powder into it. So it's already mixed inside there because you do want to flavor the meat. Then we're just going to take, a chunk of our Swiss there. I'm going to put in a little bit of American on top of that. Again, any cheese you want. And now I have my topping, my top patty. Put it on top there. Form it down, and then we want to pinch the sides together of the meat so it encases or encloses that cheese inside there. So when it cooks, it doesn't come out. So this is our reverse cheeseburger. Cheese is on the inside, and when we slowly cook it in our water bath, our sous vide cooking, that cheese is going to melt. We take it out, it'll all be encased, we sear it, cut into it, we're going to get our reverse cheeseburger. So let me finish these up, and then you come right on back and I'll show you putting it in the water. Okay, I've sealed it, all the burgers. I've already started putting them into my sous vide bag here, my plastic bag, and unroll the top. We're going to use the water immersion method to squeeze out the air and put this right into our liquid. So let's do that. Okay, so as I mentioned, this water immersion method, we're going to put this in. We've got it set at 140 degrees. I'm going to put the timer for 1 hour. I'm going to force out this excess air on here. And they're cooking away. I'll put the edge of the bag over the side here and just leave that for 1 hour, and then it will be ready, and I'll see you then. Okay, those burgers have been in there just about an hour, pretty close to a little bit over that. So let's get them out and take a look at them. Okay, so you can see this is what they look like. Some cheese started to come out around a couple of them here. I probably didn't seal them all the way. We open them up. I'm just going to put this off to the side. I'm going to use this plate. All right, and we're going to take one of these burgers out. I can use my hand here. And then I'm going to blot it dry. So I have a paper towel here, You know, you can do them all at once. I'm just going to do this one. So you can see it's like a big meatball. It's got the cheese inside. And once we do it, then we're going to have a hot pan over here that I had on the heat. I'll add a little oil, even though it's non-stick. That'll help brown it. I actually add a little bit of butter here. So put that in there, get it sizzling. Then I'm going to drop this burger right in there. We just want to get it brown. Right? Then once we get it brown, it's done. And it's already cooked, so we just have to sear it. Now you could do this on a grill outside, barbecue grill, sear it, charcoal grill, whatever works for you. I'm just going to put it in this one. Flip it over here and get some color on it. Oh, it smells good. Can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Our reverse sous vide burger. So I have my bun here. Okay, put that on there. Get out of the way. Okay, so you put it on here. And then, of course, once it's on your bun, you can toast this on your grill as well. Put any toppings you want, avocado, bacon, lettuce, tomato, onions, obviously mustard, ketchup, relish, whatever you'd like. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to leave it plain. So we have our nice big burger there. I've got my knife. Let's cut through this and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to hold that up. You can see the cheese coming right out of it, you know, inside there. And when you hold that up, you've got a reverse cheeseburger. Hey, sous vide reversed cheeseburger. The cheese is on the inside. Doesn't that look great? Thanks for watching. I hope you try this at home. Your next barbecue, your next cookout, your next grilling weekend. Okay? Bye-bye now.